US dollar in February. This is due to tight monetary measures by the central bank. This has in turn reduced the gap between the official rate and parallel market. But will this be sustainable in the long term? Our business correspondent Melissa Chatkobo gives us the market sentiments.
Depending where you're getting your greenback, the price may differ. On official markets, you may get it at 27 ZiG for $1, but on the parallel market, depending with the seller, you may get it at around 32 ZiG to 35 ZiG. Which is a change from 40 ZiG illegal money changers would offer their clients in January. What has changed?
The convergence that we have witnessed on the parallel rate as well as the official rate, has it been because of actually the improvement in the value or the improvement in trust and confidence in our local currency, or just the issue to do with scarcity? So in our view, if it's just the issue to do with scarcity, then the sustainability of it then becomes questionable.
But is it sustainable, given that tight liquidity has caused some constraints for industry captains?
Supply chain disruptions, which of course, has already been noted by the other members, that these supply chain disruptions are starting to affect even medium and small businesses also.
Market watchers call for a market-determined exchange rate that is backed by solid economic fundamentals.
Is there any reason why we can say this current one is not true market determined? Okay, there are two issues that of course I would want to say this is just our opinion, that the exchange rate currently is not truly market determined.
But how would the governor achieve this? Analysts say the governor should create more demand for the ZiG.
Currently as it stands, individuals, they are only using the local currency, whether be it to pay for ZESA and airtime. And if you are to look at the corporates, they are only using the local currency, whether be it to invest on the Zimbabwe Stock Exchange or to pay for the ZIMRA QPDs, quarterly QPDs. Other than that, there are no any other players that are interested in finding exposure in the local currency.
The retail formal sector is one of the big takers of the ZiG. They are urging authorities to ensure their survival. This will create more places for Zimbabweans to put their local units.
Imagine, Honorable Chair, if we didn't have retail sector and wholesale sector, how were we launching our ZiG as a country? As a patriotic company, as a patriotic sector, we are recommending that we take this seriously.
Market watchers say the ZiG has temporarily strengthened because of the liquidity crunch. But they caution the governor that if there is increased money supply, it may reverse the gains. Reporting for ZTM Prime, I'm Melissa Chatkobo in Harare.
Now for some analysis and insights, we have our business correspondent, Eben Mabunda, joining us. Eben, good evening.
Good evening, Faith.